Hey everybody, Gary with Barnes Life Georgia Edition. Today I want to talk about the couplers, the quick couplers that came on my tractor versus the quick couplers that came on the grapple bucket, and why they leak when they were connected. So I'm going to fix that today, hopefully. I've got some new couplers and I wanted to show you those too. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is what I got. These couplers here, from what the guy told me, are called Poppit. And that's what that little cone shaped deal right there is. It's spring loaded. And they call it Poppits, or some call them Pioneer. And I think these were, from what I've been told, they came along a long time ago. Anyway, that's same deal in there, little cone shaped thing. This is what came on the tractor third function valve plumbing right here. When I bought the grapple bucket, the guy put these couplers on. These couplers, if you can tell, there's a little ball there and it's spring loaded. There's also a little ball inside there. It's spring loaded. This hook to this will work, but there is a leak. It's not a terrible leak, but it's leaking enough to get all over, all over everything. And for instance, if you can tell, all that's all leaking that took place as a result of these being hooked to those. Now, with that being said, I went to Cauliflower Hydraulic over in Douglasville, Georgia today, and he suggested these flat face. These are a new type of quick coupler, I guess. And the advantage over this, so these are the females right here. The advantage that you can see is right away is this is open. And this, when you have an open coupler like that, things can get up in there and contaminate it, cause jams with the spring-loaded cone there. Whereas this one's closed off at all times until you hook the male part into there. It'll go like that. And I'll set the camera up on my tripod so you can see how that works. But okay, so here I have the male and the female flat face style couplers. And when you go to hook them up, you just push them together. And when you do that, everything's sealed until they connect and click in. And that's an advantage, I would think. These feel really like they're high quality, heavy, good quality stuff. The guy at the store says a way to tell how good they are is when you try to disconnect them, if they launch like that. I don't know if you... So apparently these are the best any place has to offer as far as quick connect couplings. And so I'm getting ready to put them on, and I'll do the video on that. Shouldn't be too much of a big deal. He sold me this Venom pipe thread sealant. So as far as using these two different types of quick couplers, even though it will work, there is a leak, and they weren't meant to be used together, I don't believe. So that's why I chose the flat face, because if this is what they're going to, then everything here on out, hopefully, like when I go to buy different attachments for the front of the tractor, hopefully they'll be outfitted with a flat face coupler like that. In my opinion, and I don't know a whole lot about them, but just from what the guy schooled me on as far as it being flat and closed off, that's better than open to debris. And the springs are a lot stronger in these versus these. So that's what drove my decision to move over to these. I'm gonna go ahead and put this pipe dope on here. Put some of that on there. I don't want that oil to jeopardize the pipe thread sealant. It's messy. There's that. We'll put some on the interior. This. Got right there. Take this, put it on here. Yeah. Spin her down. Okay, I got this one on there off camera. Forgot to hit the record button. So I'm gonna do this one now, and hopefully y'all will get to see it. All right, get that cleaned off. Some dope on here. This in here. Okay, so I got them on my grapple bucket. Just need to get some on here. Go ahead and put some on this. Tight. We'll put this one on here. And this one on here. And now we have our connection. Okay, it's been a couple hours since I put the connections on, and I'm getting ready to try it to see if there's any leaks. There's no leaks now, but I haven't activated the third function switch yet, so we'll see here in a second. Hopefully it's going to take care of it. looking good so far. No leaks. So far it looks pretty good. I don't see any leaks. I activated the third function switch and opened and closed the grapple several times and nothing happened as far as leaking. So hopefully that's got her. Appreciate the guy Chris over at Cauliflower Hydraulics in Douglasville on Bright Star Road. So if you're in West Atlanta Metro, look them up if you have a tractor, if you need quick connects or anything like that. Hey guys, hope y'all like this video. I hope it was informative for y'all, and maybe somebody could benefit from watching what I had to do. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and hit that like button, please. We'll catch you on the next one.